In today's video, I'll show you how to use the ActiveCampaign email builder to create and customize professional-looking emails. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account and open Campaigns from the left-hand menu. Click Create a Campaign, give your campaign a name, and choose Standard if you're creating a regular one-time email. Next, select your recipient list and choose how you want to design the email. You can start with a pre-designed template or create your email from scratch. Once you're inside the email builder, you can click directly on any text block to edit the content. You can change things like the font, text size, alignment, and other formatting options to match your design. To add more content, use the available blocks in the editor. You can drag and drop elements such as images, buttons, text, and social links directly into your email. If you have experience with HTML and want more control over your design, you can also use the code option to edit the email's HTML and CSS directly. Next, check the global settings. Here you can adjust default design settings such as fonts, background colors, and button styles across the email. Once your design is finished, make sure it works well on different screen sizes. Use the preview options to check how your email looks on both desktop and mobile. It's also a good idea to send yourself a test email before sending the campaign to your full audience. Check the formatting, images, buttons, and links carefully. Once everything looks correct, save your email and continue with the campaign settings. And that's how you edit and design emails using the ActiveCampaign email builder. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.